Hello everyone. Today we will learn about our country, India. Chapter 7 Classics, Geography and NCERT. India is a country of vast geographical expanse. In the north, it is bounded by the lofty Himalayas, the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Was the shores of the Indian peninsula. India has an area of about 3.28 million square km. The north south extent from Kashmir to Kanyakumari is about 3,200 km, and the east west extent from Arunachal Pradesh to Kutch is about 2,900 km. The lofty mountains, the great Indian desert, the northern plains, and the uneven plateaus, surface and the coast and island present a diversity of landforms. There is a great variety in the climate, vegetation, wildlife, as well as in the language and culture. In this diversity, we'll find unity that is reflected in traditions that bind us as one nation. India has a population of more than 120 crores since the year 2011. It is the second most populous country of the world after China. Locational setting. India is located in the northern hemisphere, the Tropic of Cancer, 23 degree 30 north, passes almost halfway through the country. Figure 2.7, sorry 7.2. From south to north, main land of extend between 8 degree 4 n and 37 degree 6 n latitudes. From west to east, India extends between 68 degree 7 e and 97 degree 25 east longitude. If we divided the world into eastern and western hemisphere, which hemisphere would India belongs to? Due to great longitudinal extent of about 29 degree, there could be a twist wait 29 degree, there could be a wide difference in local time of places located at two extreme points of India. As such, the difference between these 2 points would be of. Do you know large countries which extensively from east to west do not have a single standard time for the whole country? The USA and Canada have 7 and 6 time zones respectively. Do you remember how many time zones are there in Russia? About 2 hours, as you have learnt. Earlier, the local time changes by 4 minutes for every 1 degree of longitude. The sun rises about 2 hours earlier in the east, Arunachal Pradesh, than in the west, Gujarat. You have already read earlier why the local time of longitude of 82 degree 30 east. Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Tibet, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar. Okay, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, Maldives, Sri Lanka. India and its neighboring countries. India political. Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, New Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Bhopal, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Sikkim, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, Meghalaya. Here it is Meghalaya, and here Mizoram. Next, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and here Goa. Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, Sri Lanka, Bay of Bengal, Andaman Nicobar, Lakshadweep. Uh, Political map of India. Telangana became 29th state of India in June 2015. Of the countries from figure 7.1, how many of those countries do not have access to any ocean or sea? Across the sea to the south lie our island neighbors Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from political and administrative division. India is a vast country for administrative purpose. The country is divided into 29. Look here, 68 degree east, 72 degree, 80 degree, 88 degree, 96 degree, 36 and India physical. Okay, Gulf of Kutch, Indus River, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj. एंड ये क्या है, ग्रेट हिमालय, शिवालिक. ओके, यमुना, चंबल, ग्रेट इंडियन डेजर्ट, अरावली रेंज, विंध्या रेंज, सतपुरा रेंज, नर्मदा रिवर, तापी रिवर, महानदी रिवर, गंगा, नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स, ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर, गोदावरी रिवर, डेक्कन प्लेट्यू, कृष्णा, ईस्टर्न कोस्टल घाट्स एरियाज and coastal areas, Western Ghat, Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep, Bay of Bengal. Look at the color, brown color mountain range, yellow color plateau region, green plain region, Andaman Nicobar. Okay, Indian Ocean. Figure 7.3, India physical division. Status, states and 9 union territories, but right now 28 states and 8 union territories. Okay, because our Jammu Kashmir is divided into 2 union territory, and Delhi is the national capital. The state have been formed mainly on the basis of language. Physical division. India is marked by diversity of physical features such as mountains, plateaus, plains, coast, and islands. Standing as sentinels in the north are the lofty snow-capped Himalayas. Him plus Alaya mean the abode of snow. The Himalayan mountains are divided into three main parallel ranges. The northernmost is the Great Himalaya or Himadri. The world's highest peak are located in the range. Middle Himalaya or Himachal lies to south of the Himadri. Many popular hill stations are situated here. Find out the names of 5 hill stations. The Shivalik is the southernmost range. Alluvial deposit. These are very fine soils brought by rivers and deposit in the river's basin. Tributary. A river or stream which contribute its water to a main river by discharging it into main river from either side. Do you know the Ganga and the Brahmaputra from the world's largest delta, the Sundarbans Delta? The delta is triangular in shape. It is an area of land formed at the mouth of the river. where river enter the sea. That point is called the mouth of the river. The northern India plains lie to the south of the Himalayas. They are generally level and flat. These are formed by the alluvial deposit laid down by the rivers, the Indus, Ganga, and Brahmaputra, and their tributaries. These rivers plains provide fertile land for cultivation. That is the reason for high concentration of population in these plains. In the western part of India lies the Great Indian Desert. It is a dry, hot, and sandy stretch of land. It has very little vegetation. To the south of northern plains lies in peninsular plateaus. It is triangular in shape. The relief is highly uneven. This is the reason with numerous hill range and valleys. Aravalli Hills, one of the oldest range of the world, border it on the northwest side. The Vindhyas and the Satpuras are the important ranges. The rivers Narmada and Tapi flow through these ranges. These are west flowing rivers that drain into Arabian Sea. The western Ghats are Sahyadri's border, the plateaus in the west, and the eastern Ghat provide the eastern boundary. While the western Ghats are almost continuous, the eastern Ghats are broken and uneven. Figure 7.3. The plateaus is rich in minerals like coal and iron ore. To the west of the western Ghats and the east of the eastern Ghats lie the coastal plains. The western coastal plains are very narrow. The eastern coastal plains are much broader. There are a number of east flowing rivers. The rivers Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri drains into the Bay of Bengal. These rivers have formed fertile deltas as their mouth. The Sundarban Delta is formed where the Ganga and Brahmaputra flow into the Bay of Bengal. Do you know corals are skeletons of tiny marine animals called polyps? When the living polyps die, their skeletons are left. Other polyps grow on top of the hard skeleton, which grow higher and higher, thus forming the coral island. Figure 7.3 4 show, shows coral island. Look at the picture. Danger water. Aparna Sinha and Vedant Swan. Down there in Sumatra started a big quake, but no one had expected the tea tsunami it did make. Waves big as mountains like our army, they charged and into the South Asian lands with all might. They burst. Okay. Tsunamis, killer waves. Look, look at the picture. Two groups of islands also part of India, Lakshadweep Island and located in the Arabian Sea. These are Coral Island located off the coast of Kerala and the Andaman and the Nicobar Island lie to the southeast of the Indian mainland in Bay of Bengal. Do you know which group of islands were affected by the tsunami in 2004? Find out through newspaper reports and by speaking to people how it difficult different ways people face this challenge when tsunami struck the Indian coast. Tsunami is a huge sea wave generated due to an earthquake on the sea floor. Exercise. Answer the brief questions. Take the correct answer. Fill in the blanks. Map skills. Topic of Cancer. Standard meridian of India. State in which you live. Andaman Island and Lakshadweep Island. Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Thank you.